Every race we watched, we imagined it was us. Standing on that podium, spraying the crowd with champagne. Navigating every curve, fighting every battle on the track. We lived every moment.
That was us, in that basement. But then years went by and...
As this incredible season reaches its climax. The final showdown between bitter rivals. This is what it all comes down to. One final race.
Dangerous? I don't know what that means. The only thing I know is every time I race, I push myself to the limit. And when I reach this limit, I push myself even harder.
You take me down, spin me around. You got me running all the lights. Don't make a sound, talk to me now. Let me inside your mind. Don't know what you're thinking, sugar. Ooh, but I just got that feeling, sugar. Ooh, I can hear the sirens burning, red lights turning. I can't turn back now. So on time. I don't know where the lights are taking us. Something in the night is dangerous. And nothing's holding back the two of us. Baby, this is getting serious. Oh, the danger, dangerous.
With 2 laps to go, this epic battle shows no sign of letting up. The question is, who is going to blink first?
Show me your soul, I gotta know. Bet that you're beautiful inside. Toes on the glass, car moving fast. Come take the wheel and drive.